Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this shadow text effect in Photoshop. So if this is interesting to you, don't forget to like the video, comment below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So without more ado, let's get started.
Yeah, boy.
Okay guys, here we are in Photoshop. I've already created my document, and if you would like to change your Photoshop UI color just like mine, you can check out this tutorial link in the description below. So first I'm going to come over here and I choose solid color. I'm going to put a background color before I get started. So after I click OK, and most importantly, don't forget to lock the layer, and after that is done, grab your text tool and it's time to type. So I'm going to make a click. I type in capital letter L. And the font I'm using is the Cricut Sans. Okay, so the Cricut Sans is a font created by me. You can check it out, link in the description below. So I type letter L, validate it, select my move tool, and I'm going to resize it. So make sure you resize it evenly. I'm using Photoshop CC 2022. So there are some versions of Photoshop that you will need to hold shift to resize it evenly. After that, I'm going to validate. So after that, I'm going to select the letter L. I press Ctrl J on my keyboard to duplicate. Then I push it this way and I hold shift while pushing it, alright? And duplicate it again, push it this way, duplicate it again, and push it this way. So I want all of them to be on the same straight line. So this is L. I'm going to type O over here. I validate. I'm going to type V. I'm gonna type E. So that's it guys. You can separate them if you want to, but for me this is okay. So I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to push them to the center. So after that is done, select letter L, push it again this way, right click over here and go to blending options. And when you're here, select drop shadow. So under drop shadow, I'm going to reset it to default. So I'm going to increase the opacity a little bit, let's say 50. Now the angle, I'm going to leave it at 28. The distance, I'm going to increase it a little bit. And the size as well. Alright? So if that's okay by you, you can go ahead and validate it. But just do it according to your preference. After that, I'm going to press OK. Right? I select the second one, go back to blending options. When I click on drop shadow, the previous settings I used will be applied on it automatically. So you can decide to adjust this to your preference or you can go ahead with it. Alright, so I'm going to validate this, and this is letter V. So instead of doing it over and over again, I can select letter O, right click on it, select copy layer style, right? Select layer V, right click and paste layer style. Alright, I can do the same for letter E. Paste it again, voila. So that's how to create this drop shadow effect. So if you want to change the text color at once, so just select them, all of them like this, go to Windows, select properties. The properties panel pops up over here and you have color. You can change the color over here, as you can see. So you can change it to your preference, and if you want to reduce the size, you can also do that as well. So that's how to create this drop shadow text effect. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If it was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and share with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Adios.